Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the file, open Excel, enable Protected View, and open the workbook there so macros don't run. Once done, immediately save a backup copy to a different folder. This preserves the original before you change anything. Make sure to display the Developer tab if not already visible. File Options, Customize Ribbon, check Developer. This lets you access the Visual Basic Editor and macro controls without executing code by accident. You now inspect where the macro lives. Open the Visual Basic Editor, Alt plus F11, and expand the project tree to review this workbook, each worksheet module and standard modules. Once there, use Find Control plus F to locate sub and function declarations so you can target the right procedures. Make sure to read any code comments and note workbook events like Workbook Open. These run automatically. If you're unsure about a routine, comment it out by prefixing lines with an apostrophe to disable it temporarily. You finish by deleting the unwanted code. In the Visual Basic Editor, right-click the module or procedure and choose Remove, optionally export first, then confirm deletion. Once removed, save the file as XLSM if you want macros left elsewhere, or as XLSX to strip macros entirely. After saving, run Document Inspector, File Info check for issues Inspect Document, and remove any hidden code or custom XML. If macros still appear,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.